This video identifies the pins used in the MS3126F16-26P connector and the necessary crimp tool, turret head, insertion, and removal tools. In the Amphenol catalog on page 3, you will find that the MS/PTSE series connector has crimp contacts, which are removable. Also, it shows it has bayonet coupling, an olive drab cadmium finish, a large temperature range, and several shell styles. The shell style of our connector is a straight plug. On page 4, we can see that our connector has 26 pins that have a contact size of 20. On page 42, we can find part numbers for the tools required to install pins on our connector series. These include the tool itself, the turret head, insertion, and removal tools. On page 43, we can find the part numbers for contacts used on our connector. On page 13 of the Daniels Manufacturing Corporation Tooling Guide, you will find the crimp tool with part number M22520/1-01, which is an AF8 adjustable upper range 8 indent crimp tool. On page 16, you will find the part number for the AF8 turret. At the bottom of the page, there are instructions on how to read the turret and determine the correct selector setting for the crimp tool. First, identify the contact you want to crimp. The part number for our pin indicates that we should use the color red on the turret. The part number for the mating sockets also indicates that the color red should be used. Let's assume that our wire size is 20 gauge. That means our selector should be set to 4. The installation and extraction tools for contacts in connectors are detailed starting on page 41. The M81969/17-03 insertion tool is listed on page 45, with the Daniels part number being DK20B. In Daniels part numbers, DK denotes insertion, DRK denotes removal, and SVK denotes both insertion and removal. These tools are color-coded to quickly identify contact sizes, with red indicating a contact size of 20. This tool is compatible with our connector series. According to the Amphenol catalog, the M81969/19-07 is the removal tool for our example connector, but this part number is not listed in the Daniels Tooling Guide. Therefore, we need to find an alternative part number. The M81969/19-06 will work, as it is suitable for our connector series and supports a contact size of 20.